In the 15th Battle of the Race Circuits, we have a German internal battle between two abandoned racetracks. Brooklands won the last 3 rounds, so it's retired, and here are 2 new competitors that you voted for: the Opel-Rennbahn and the Motodrom Gelsenkirchen. For those of you who are not familiar with the Battle of the Race Circuits, the formula is simple. Every month we show you 2 epic racetracks that have something in common, and you get to decide which one is best. The winner goes on to the next round for a battle against another iconic racetrack, but each circuit can only battle on for 3 rounds maximum. The old Opel-Rennbahn, which opened in 1920, was a test facility for the Opel Factory in Rüsselsheim, Germany. It was an oval track inspired by the Indianapolis Motor Speedway. Its length was 1.5 kilometres or 0.9 miles, and it had 2 32-degree banked corners. Soon, Opel saw the commercial potential of the test track and started to organise races during the weekends. For these occasions, they built 5 grandstands around the track, which could accommodate up to 50,000 spectators. But when in 1927 the Nürburgring opened, and then in 1932 the Hockenheimring followed, the Opel-Rennbahn found it tough competition from other modern tracks. So in the 1930s, less races were organised, and then when World War II broke out in 1939, motor racing stopped there altogether. After the war, the Opel-Rennbahn was then used by the American Army to test military vehicles. But since 1949, the test track was no longer used at all and was left abandoned and reclaimed by nature. Fast forward to 1987, the abandoned circuit then was given the status of a monument for industry and technology. Today, a part of the overgrown track has been cleared out and equipped with an observation platform. Where most abandoned circuits are illegal to visit these days, this one expects and wants you to visit because it's legal. Motodrom Gelsenkirchen was a 750 metre or 0.466 miles short club circuit in the west of Germany. It opened in 1969 as a gravel track and then became an asphalt track in 1977. The track itself was used for amateur stock car racing, and it was actually a road circuit, but in a way it had some characteristics of a quarter-mile oval. The official name of the track was the Motodrom Gelsenkirchen, but the locals mostly called it Almaring. Alma was the name of the cooking plant that previously was located on this site, and Ring is German for circuit, so it was technically nicknamed the Alma Circuit. However, in the early 1980s, the Almaring became the opposition from environmentalists and local residents who were complaining about the noise, a very common problem and story on this channel. That led to the closure of the track after the 1984 season, and since then the track has been left abandoned. Just like the Opel-Rennbahn, however, this abandoned circuit can also be visited legally. The site has now become a park, and the overgrown track is now an asphalt path throughout the woods. So, we now have 2 abandoned circuits in Germany which can both be visited legally. Hurrah for Hermann! Who will win? Is it the Opel-Rennbahn or will it be Motodrom Gelsenkirchen? It's your turn to vote. Let us know down in the comments which one is your favourite and tell us why. The choice, as they say, is yours. Check out the social tab on the Circuits of the Past YouTube channel because next week we'll be announcing the winner and let you decide for the next challenger. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and click on that notification bell so that you don't miss out on the next episode of Battle of the Race Circuits, and don't forget all the other videos from iconic racetracks from the past and present that we talk about too. Visit www.circuitsofthepast.com because there you can download a free ebook about 7 abandoned racetracks that you can also visit legally too. Thank you for watching and look forward to seeing you in our next video.